116 knots, cleared for takeoff, runway 07.
Clear takeoff 07, set 2560.
So 2567 airborne 56, contact radar 120.8, good day.
20827, 2567, local west jet.
57 San Francisco, confirm ready.
Need about 2 minutes, Delta 1957.
Roger, advisor ready.
1957. 57 ready for takeoff at runway 7.
Delta 1957, wind estimated 080 degrees, 20 knots, clear takeoff, runway 07.
Runway 7, Delta 1957.
United 1163 coming up on Bolt for RMP 07.
United 1163 San Francisco, wind at station 080 degrees, 15 knots, clear to land, runway 07.
Runway 07, United 1163.
Delta 1957, airborne 04, contact radar 120.8, good day.
Decimal 8, good day, Delta 1957.
628 holding short of 07, ready for departure.
1628 San Francisco, roger, hold the short, runway 07.
Runway 07, United 1628.
United 3 mile and final, line up and wait behind.
And the landing Boeing 737, line up right, runway 07, United 1628.
United 1163, arrive 15, vacate taxiway Bravo, contact ground 121.7.
Bravo, Alpha, and ground, United 1163.
United 1628, wind 080 degrees, 16 knots, cleared for takeoff, runway 07.
Runway 07, United 1628.
1628, airborne 16, contact radar 120.8, good day.
Over to radar 20.8, United 1628, good day. JetBlue 2522 will be ready at the end.
JetBlue 2522, thanks, it's over, roger. Hold short, runner 07. Line up weight, runner 07.
Line up rate runway 07, JetBlue 2522.
JetBlue 2522, and estimated 080 degrees 19 knots, cleared for takeoff, runway 07.
Check out JetBlue 2522.
American 1075, thanks, it's over. 075, thanks, it's over. JetBlue 2522, airborne 19, contact radar 120.8, good day.
120.8, JetBlue 2522, see you around. Get 1075 done it.
75, thanks, it's over, window station 090 degrees 14 knots, cleared to land, runway 07.
Go to land runway 7, American 1075. Inbound to Bolt for the R9 runway 7.
West 292, thanks, it's over, continue approach, runway 07.
For runway 07, Southwest 292.
American 1075, 23, vacate taxi, Bravo, contact ground 121.7.
Bravo, wind 112.7, American 1075.
West 292, wind estimated 060 degrees 16 knots, cleared to land, runway 07.
Runway 07, Southwest 292.
Alright, 225, vacate taxi, Bravo, contact ground 121.7.
121.7, Southwest 292. Push and start approved once JetBlue is cleared up for 1928.
2126, thanks, it's over.
2126 is ready to go.
6 order, immediate departure, runway 07, wind estimated 080 degrees 18 knots, traffic 2506 miles.
Dexter Tower, American 1085, RMP 07.
American 1085, thanks, it's over, continue approach, runway 07.
American 1085.
American 1085, wind estimated 080 degrees 19 knots, clear to land, runway 07.
Go to land 07, American 1085.
6 airborne 33, contact radar 120.8, good day.
130.8, or 120.8, good day, JetBlue 2126.
Vacate taxi Bravo, contact run 12, that's no 7.
Bravo ground, American 1080, Papa Zero.
Ready to taxi information, Mike?
Frontic flight 124, taxi Alpha, hold short runway 07, contact tower 118.75, good day.
7, and over to Tower Frontier Flight 124, we'll see you.
We're off at Bravo, we're going to get close.
279, thanks to ground, Roger, continue taxi Alpha Echo, gate 12. 7479, pushing start approved, gate 5.
Yeah, we are clear to push back the helicopter, Replica 7479.
So 192, short 07, ready for departure.
Delta 192, on the read runner 07.
7, Delta 192.
Delta 124, airborne 42, contact radar 120.8, good day.
Good day, over to departure 20.8, Frontier 24.
Quebec Lima, clear to proceed via Foxtrot Alpha to gate 1 Delta.
Canada Charlie, Quebec Lima, Foxtrot Alpha to 1 Delta. The ground team is turning around this one at the moment.
Answer ground at Republica 7479, we are request taxi.
7479, taxi Alpha, hold short runway 07, contact 118.75.
We're to taxi via Alpha Hold Short runway 07. Contact tower 118.75. Have a good day, Replica 7479.
Thanks very much, you too.
Alpha Tower Replica 7479 now. Good evening. We are holding short runway 07. Ready to take off.
479 South Tower, Roger, hold short runner 07.
check. Go inside. Alpha check, and we do with the field side.
70 Alpha Sanctuary Tower, continue approach runway 07.
Continue approach runway 70.
74790, line up and wait runway 07, expecting you at departure.
Runway 07, replica 7479.
American 3228 vacate taxi Bravo, contact ground 121 at 07.
Alright, we'll vacate, Republic American 3228.
Republic 747, traffic turning found, 5 miles, expecting you at departure.
Immediately at departure, replica 747.
270 Alpha, continue approach, releasing Boeing 737 traffic right here, over.
Roger.
Republic 747, wind estimated 070 degrees, 19 knots, clear takeoff, runway 07.
To takeoff, runway 07, replica 7479.
Alright, 270 Alpha, wind estimated 080 degrees, 17 knots, clear to land, runway 07.
Get down runway 70.
479, airborne 50, contact radar 120.8.
0.8, replica 7479. Have a good day.
Air Canada Charlie, Quebec Lima, so complete 1 Delta.